Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here you are seeing a pack of dry fruits. This is called Kishmish, that is dry fruits, dry grapes. See the picture. See here we are going to open this box. It is of 400 gram and maximum MRP is 400 rupees. These are all the nutrients informations. You can read here all the informations. Okay, let's see how it looks like and how the quality is. Let's open it from here. Just tear off and just you can expand like this. Wow! Inside you will see the grapes in dry format. It looks very nice, and let's eat it. I am going to give it to the small boy here. I am also going to eat. Wow, Kishmish is very super.
How is it?
How is it? I am asking you.
This is very nice.
Nice product. It's of very high quality grapes. Okay. Okay. If you would like to purchase this, I will give the link to the product description or in the product page here, and you can purchase. Okay. That's all, friends. Bye.